Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. This time I'm talking about integrating instant messenger, social networking and email. Now, as you can see, I've got an icon on my desktop with the name of Digsby. This is a free download. I'll provide the link to it in the description to the right of the video, and it basically does the three things I've just mentioned. Previously I have been using a client called Pigeon. It's a multi-platform, multi-protocol instant messaging client. Now, if you don't know what that means, it basically means you can talk to your friends on MySpace, MSN chat, Yahoo chat, loads of different protocols, and it does it all in that one application. Now, Digsby uses the same sort of thing, and it looks like an instant messaging client that adds the social element as well. So don't take my word for it, I'll give you a quick tour of the program. Now, the first thing to note is that it actually you have to sign up to the Digsby website to use the client. That's where all your information is stored. So if you were to download Digsby on another computer, it will store all your information, so you don't have to type them all in again every computer you go to. So that's really handy to have. So let's start the Digsby client. Now, you should be able to see a familiar instant messaging interface. So we've got a nice box here, nice little logo. Now it's auto logged in, and I've filled in quite a few of my details already to save time. And you see already we have some alerts and some emails and a MySpace error. So this is to the left, this by default is here. And the reason I've got the MySpace error is because I forgot my password, so I've just come up with that. I'll try and get my password back soon. So if we go back to the actual box on the right hand side, I'm in my test account with Windows Live Messenger. So all you can see here is Smarter Child. I can just double click him and show you this is the chat box. And something I noticed that here we have a start and audio video chat. Now, Pigeon doesn't support webcam chats. I'm not sure if this actually will and what protocols it follows. The other person might have to have this Digsby application, I'm not sure. But anyway, there's a bunch of things that you can do: send files, emails, texts, and you can also customize the actual conversation box, which is quite nice. So I'll be showing you that in a second, but for the time being, let's go over to this, the bottom area of this contacts box. You can see that I've got email here. This is done through IMAP, so you can see I've got 3 emails, 3 new emails since I last checked it. It's got my Hotmail account, which there's no previews for, but I can click that and it will go to my inbox. Fastmail, Facebook. It's got all the status updates and profile updates from various people in my list, and has my alerts here. So I've got a message, a poke, and some group invites, and it shows my status, which I can actually edit from the client, and a bunch of links at the top. Twitter. It's got I've only following about 7 or so people on Twitter, so you can see that there's not many people that have updated their profiles. I haven't really used it. I use ping.fm to go through all my social sites, but it's good to have anyway. I do post to it, and there's quite a few services that I'd like to talk about, which I will do in the very near future, to do with Twitter, which I really like. So that is the Twitter area, and obviously MySpace with the error, so I'm not sure what goes here. I have to find out once I've got my password. So if I was to close this buddy list, you can see at the bottom it's got all the things I shoot you, and it's got them as small icons, and there's little counters, which is handy because if you were to, I don't know, receive an alert but you didn't see it or something like that, you can look down here and it will have a counter next to the various services. You can actually customize these so you can take them off, but I'll show you that as we go through the options, because that's one great feature about this, is that it's quite customizable. So let's go to the options. Actually no, let's just talk to this dude so you can see how it works. It just says Duncan, hello, and then Smart Child just says something. You also have avatars, but as this hasn't got the skin in the conversation box, you can't see them, but I'll show you that in a second. So let's go into the options. So it's tools, preferences, and you can see it's in my this is my Windows Live Messenger account, my test account anyway, and you can see that I can just add one, and then you can see you've got AIM, MSN, Yahoo, Google Talk, ICQ, Jabber, and Facebook Chat. We've got emails here, so it supports Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Pop, email, IMAP. IMAP is what I've set up my Google Mail with. I'm not sure if that accesses POP3, but I didn't want to risk it, so I just went straight to IMAP. And I've also got it doing my Hotmail, and it also does AOL. And the social networks, it does Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter, which is all the ones that I've put down. Now you see over here we've got where to show in contact list, show icon in tray, show both. So you see where I have these at the bottom here and down here. You can have it so it just shows one or both or none. Sorry, you've got a choice of in the contact list, on the taskbar, or both. So that's pretty cool. Just going to general. I just set my buddy icon as my wallpaper randomly. I don't know why. There's a couple of other options here, but the skins is pretty good. You get a choice of either a white one, which is the Quicksilver, which is my one I have now, and the other one is the Darkness, but I'm not a big fan of this, I must say. You can see that it's dark here. Now you can get variations of it. Here we have variant, and then it's green. You can see that it's changed green. It's also changed the contact box green or red. So let's change that. Also with the conversation theme, so if I keep it, I'll have it as Quicksilver because I like it like that. The conversation theme, we've got a nice preview box here, so you can basically just choose them. Now if I just click like that and press the down arrow so you can see the various conversation boxes. Try that again, shall we? Oh yeah, we'll go up, there we go. So these are the various conversation skins that you can have. As you can see, we've got these are the things that it shows as their icon will be replaced by your avatar. So it's pretty good. It's got quite a few nice things, and again you have the variants here, so you can sort it out even more, customize it even more. Metal chat, gone dark, so it's pretty cool. I like it. Body list you can customize, so you can see I've got my avatar and my name here. I can actually have it just so it shows the name and obviously the status, the actual protocol that I'm connected to, and various other things here. You can sort them, showing the taskbar. These are sort of the standard things you get on most conversation clients. File transfers, where you're going to put them, status, going idle, disable pop-ups, sounds, privacy, notifications, and widgets. Widgets, I'm not sure if this is a web widget, because you go to new widget, it takes me to a Firefox page to make a Digsby widget. Now I'm not sure if this just shows you the status. It looks to do that. Widget title, your nickname. Yeah, it just shows you the status of you basically. You can put it on forums or on your MySpace or on your Facebook or anything like that. Because with the Facebook, it actually asked me to add it as an application, so that's one thing to be aware of as well. So that's a very quick overview. As you can see in the conversation box with this webcam, I'm not sure if it does connect to the various clients, but let me know if it does work for you. So thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos. Let me know what you think of this client. The download links in the description. So thanks again.